Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your girl Sarah, and welcome back to Travel Partner Official. Today, we're about to drop in on some of the most epic mountainscapes on the planet. We're talking about skiing in Switzerland. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Switzerland has something for everyone. We're going to break down the best resorts, give you the inside scoop on where to find the best beginner slopes, and hook you up with some insider tips to make your first ski trip unforgettable. So buckle up, grab your warmest beanie, and let's hit the slopes. Switzerland, right? Just the name itself conjures up images of snow-capped peaks, crystal clear lakes, and charming villages straight out of a storybook. And you know what? It's even more breathtaking in person. Think about it. The Swiss Alps are legendary. They don't just dominate the landscape, they define it. We're talking about some of the highest peaks in Europe, towering over these picturesque valleys that are just begging to be explored on skis. And the air. You can't forget that fresh mountain air. It's like taking a deep breath of pure, unadulterated freedom. But it's not just about the scenery. Switzerland is synonymous with skiing for a reason. So get ready to experience the magic for yourself. Okay, so you're amped about skiing in Switzerland. The snow, the mountains, the thrill, it's all calling your name. I feel you. But hold your horses for a second. Before you dive headfirst into the powder, there are a few things you need to consider. Picking the right resort is crucial, especially if you're a beginner. Not all resorts are created equal, and some are definitely more beginner-friendly than others. You don't want to end up on a black diamond run when you're still figuring out how to pizza. Trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. First things first, what kind of vibe are you looking for? Laid back and family-friendly, high energy and party central? Switzerland has it all. Do your research and find a resort that matches your style. Look at reviews, ask friends, and maybe even check out some videos online. Next up, check out the beginner terrain. You want slopes that are gentle and forgiving, perfect for learning the ropes. Look for resorts with dedicated learning areas, gentle slopes, and maybe even some magic carpets to get you started. These features can make your learning experience much smoother. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later. A good start can make all the difference in your skiing journey. Don't forget about ski schools. They offer structured lessons that can accelerate your learning curve. They're everywhere in Switzerland, and for good reason. The instructors are experienced and know how to teach beginners effectively. A good instructor can make all the difference in the world, especially when you're just starting out. They can teach you the basics and help you build confidence. Remember, skiing is about having fun, not about emptying your wallet. So plan wisely, choose the right resort, and enjoy the slopes. Let's kick things off with Zermatt, arguably one of the most iconic ski destinations on the planet. And for good reason. I mean, have you seen the Matterhorn? It's like this majestic pyramid of rock just piercing the sky. It's a view that'll stay with you forever. But don't let the epic scenery fool you. Zermatt is incredibly beginner-friendly. Head over to the Wallis Park, a dedicated learning area where newbies can find their ski legs without fear of getting plowed over by some speed demon. And get this, Zermatt is car-free. That's right, you'll be cruising around in these cute little electric taxis or horse-drawn carriages. Talk about a charming way to get around. Now let's talk food. Zermatt is home to some of the coziest mountain restaurants you'll ever find. It's the perfect way to refuel after a day on the slopes. Chapter 4. St. Moritz, where luxury meets the slopes. Next up, we're heading to St. Moritz, the playground of the rich and famous. Nestled in the Swiss Alps, this resort town is synonymous with opulence and elegance. This place is dripping in luxury, from its five-star hotels to its designer boutiques. Every corner of St. Moritz exudes sophistication and style. But don't let the fancy facade intimidate you. St. Moritz welcomes skiers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's something here for everyone. For beginners, the Corviglia ski area is where it's at. It's the perfect place to start your skiing journey. We're talking wide-open slopes, gentle gradients, and plenty of space to practice your turns without feeling like you're in a slalom race. It's an ideal environment to build your confidence. And if you're feeling a little rusty, the St. Moritz Ski School has got your back. They offer a range of classes to suit all abilities. They've got experienced instructors who can teach you everything from the basics to advanced techniques. You'll be carving up the slopes in no time. They even offer private lessons if you want the VIP treatment. Personalized instruction can make a huge difference in your progress. But St. Moritz is more than just skiing. It's a destination that offers a complete luxury experience. This place is all about embracing the good life. From gourmet dining to exclusive events, there's always something to indulge in. Take a horse-drawn carriage ride through the snow-dusted streets, treat yourself to a luxurious spa day, or indulge in some world-class shopping. The options are endless. Just remember to pace yourself. With so much to do, it's easy to get carried away. You've got a lot of skiing to do. So gear up and get ready to hit the slopes in style. Chapter 5. Verbier Adventure Awaits. All right, thrill seekers, this one's for you. Verbier is known for its challenging terrain and off-piste adventures. But don't worry, there's plenty here for beginners too. The Les Essarts area is a great place to start. It's got gentle slopes, a dedicated beginner zone, and even a fun park where you can practice your freestyle moves. Now, Verbier is part of the Four Valleys ski area, one of the largest in Switzerland. That means you've got access to over 400 kilometers of slopes, from gentle cruisers to heart-pumping black diamonds. So once you've mastered the basics, the sky's the limit. Chapter 6. Davos. Family fun in the Alps. Looking for a family-friendly resort that doesn't skimp on the charm? Look no further than Davos. This place is practically bursting with activities for all ages. We're talking ice skating, tobogganing, snowshoeing, you name it. And when it comes to skiing, Davos has something for everyone. Beginners will love the Parsen area with its wide-open slopes and gentle gradients. There's even a dedicated children's area called Kinderland, complete with magic carpets and mini jumps. But Davos isn't just for kids. The resort is also home to some seriously challenging terrain, including the legendary Parsen Derby, the longest downhill ski race in the world. And let's not forget about the town itself. Davos is a charming blend of old-world charm and modern amenities. Chapter 7. Grindelwald, Picture-Perfect Skiing. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer beauty of Grindelwald. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, this picturesque village offers a winter wonderland like no other. This place is like something straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine waking up to snow-covered rooftops and pristine white landscapes. We're talking towering peaks, lush meadows, and those iconic wooden chalets that Switzerland is famous for. It's a scene that feels almost too perfect to be real. It's enough to make you want to pack your bags and move here permanently. The allure of this place is simply irresistible. But let's not get sidetracked by the scenery. Grindelwald is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. Grindelwald is also a fantastic place to learn to ski. Whether you're a complete novice or looking to brush up on your skills, there's something for everyone. The Bodmy area is perfect for beginners, with its gentle slopes, magic carpets, and a dedicated ski school. It's an ideal spot for families and young children to get their first taste of skiing. And once you've mastered the basics, take a ride on the First Flyer, a zip line that will send you soaring through the air at speeds of up to 84 kilometers per hour. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Talk about an adrenaline rush. The thrill of zip-lining over such breathtaking scenery is unparalleled. But Grindelwald is more than just skiing and adventure activities. It's a place where you can truly unwind and soak in the local culture. The town itself is incredibly charming, with its narrow cobblestone streets, cozy cafes, and traditional Swiss restaurants. It's the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. All right, rookies, listen up. Here are a few tips to help you survive your first ski trip. First things first, take a lesson. I know, you think you can figure it out on your own. But trust me, a good instructor will save you a lot of time, frustration, and bruises. Next up, rent your equipment. Unless you're planning on becoming a regular on the slopes, there's no need to shell out for brand new gear. Most resorts have rental shops where you can find everything you need. Now, let's talk about clothing. Dress in layers. The weather in the mountains can be unpredictable, so it's important to be prepared for anything. So, there you have it, folks. The top ski resorts in Switzerland for beginners. From the iconic Matterhorn to the charming town of Grindelwald, there's something for everyone in this winter wonderland. Remember to choose a resort that suits your style, take a lesson from a qualified instructor, and most importantly, have fun. Skiing is all about embracing the outdoors, challenging yourself, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Just get back up, dust yourself off, and keep on skiing. So what are you waiting for? Book that trip to Switzerland and experience the magic of the Alps for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. We've got a ton of epic content coming your way, so stay tuned. From hidden gems to bucket list destinations, we're here to help you plan your next unforgettable adventure. That's a wrap on our Swiss ski adventure. I hope this video has inspired you to hit the slopes and experience the magic of the Alps for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs, tips, and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!